Hi, have you ever thought how combos can be profitable for you? Do you know that by adding combos in your menu, you can increase both your orders and order values? Today, we will be talking about how you can create profitable combos that customers love. How you can add combos to make your menu exciting for customers and also increase your sales by offering them more variety. Did you know restaurants which have high quality combos in their menus, the order rates after opening the menus, which we refer to as menu to order, is 5 to 10% higher as compared to other restaurants. When we think of combos, fast food chains are the first to come to our mind. But with changing order preferences and patterns of customers, many restaurants are also offering combos in their menus. Why are combos important? Let's see why combos are important for both restaurants and customers. Combos help in attracting new and repeat customers. Many times, instead of ordering a single item, customers prefer to order a combo. This also increases the average order value for your restaurant. You can also promote your newly launched items via combos. Combos also help in increasing orders during lean business hours. Combos provide better offer and value to customers, which creates an experience of a complete meal. If customers want to order quickly, instead of looking at the entire menu, they can order by choosing from the combos suggested by the restaurant. What are the different types of combos? Combos are suggested options by a restaurant. Hence, it is important that while creating combos, both business requirements and customer preferences are kept in mind. Now, let's explore 4 types of combos which you can add to your menu. Cuisine or category combos. You may create a combo by combining 3 or 4 items of the same cuisine. For example, to create a North Indian combo, you can combine dal makhani, butter chicken, roti and salad in one combo. Similarly, for category combos like veg starters combo, you can combine 3 to 4 veg starters to create a separate veg platter in your menu. Mealtime combos. You can create combos to promote a specific mealtime like lunch, snacks or late night. According to every mealtime, you can combine such items which sell the most and customers prefer to order during that time. Like in a breakfast combo, either dosa and idli combo or chole bhature and lassi combo. Festivals and seasons combo. During Holi, Diwali or Christmas, customers prefer to order something new or festival special. Similarly, during summers or winters, customers prefer to order items which are usually not available in other seasons. Like in winters, makke di roti, sarson da saag and gajar ka halwa. Make your own combo. You can also provide customers with an option to select items in the combo. They can combine their favorite items from these options to create a combo for themselves. For example, for veg burger combo, you can provide an option of 2-3 varieties of burgers, fries and drinks from which the customer can place an order by selecting their favorite items. What are the components of a good combo? Now, we will talk about some of the best practices to create combos which you can follow to ensure that the customers like your combos and order them as much as possible. Name your combos properly. Instead of naming your combo on 3 to 4 item names, name it on the main item and mention other details in the description. Add attractive images and description. Keep the combo description detailed and add attractive images to let customers know what items get delivered in the combo. Combine dishes that are often ordered together. Analyze your item sales, customer selection and market trends to combine repeated items for combos. Provide options to customize the combo. Always provide the customer with an option to customize their combo. Change the combos based on performance. You can change your combos time to time as per your sales and customer feedback. Avoid dishes with high kitchen preparation time. Avoid adding items to combos which can increase your order delivery time and hamper the customer experience. Don't combine unrelated items in a combo. Be careful not to make combos of items that do not match with each other or few customers prefer that combination. Remember, the purpose of your combos is to increase the orders and the order value and provide choice and convenience to other customers. So that's it. We hope that with the help of this video, you will be able to add exciting combos to your menu. For more tips and tricks to grow your online ordering business, stay tuned.